In prime time news this evening, shock and outrage. A teen on the run after killing 6-year-old in Westmoreland. Gang feud. 12-year-old escapes injury as gunmen trade bullets in East Kingston. And alarming, 64 COVID deaths in the last 7 days. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on calls to reduce the speed limit to 30 kilometers per hour in school zones and built-up areas? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.